Our sleepy session today is our second session in the Discovering Product Management series. Our topic for this evening is titled The Hidden Structure Behind Every Organisation. Take a slow breath and let's begin our soothing discussion. In our previous session, we explored the idea that a career can be viewed as a product, a living product, one that evolves through learning, adaptation, and continuous improvement. Tonight, we will expand that perspective. We will move beyond the individual and examine something larger, the organisation. Whether we are discussing a technology company, a consulting firm, a bank, a hospital, a university, a government agency, or a small business, organisations often appear incredibly complex. Thousands of activities occur simultaneously. Hundreds of decisions are made each day. People interact across departments. Information moves through systems. Technology supports operations. Customers generate demand. Leaders establish direction. At first glance, it can feel overwhelming. Yet beneath that complexity lies a surprisingly simple structure. And once you learn to see it, you begin to understand organisations in an entirely different way. Many professionals spend years working inside organisations without fully understanding how they function. They understand their own department, their own responsibilities, their own projects, but they rarely step back and examine the larger system. Product managers do not have that luxury. To create meaningful value, product managers must understand the environment in which value is created. That requires systems thinking, the ability to see relationships, connections, dependencies, interactions, and one of the most useful frameworks for developing this perspective is the information system. When people hear the phrase information system, they often think about software, computers, applications, databases, technology. And while technology is certainly part of an information system, it is only one piece of a much larger picture. An information system consists of 4 interconnected components: people, processes, technology, and data. Together, these elements create the foundation upon which organizations operate. No matter the industry, no matter the size, no matter the mission, these 4 components appear again and again. Let us begin with people. Every organization ultimately depends upon people. People make decisions. People solve problems. People build relationships. People exercise judgment. People create ideas. Technology may automate activities. Processes may define procedures. Data may provide insight. But people remain at the center of organizational activity. Now consider process. Processes define how work is performed. They establish consistency. They reduce uncertainty. They create repeatable outcomes. Processes create structure. They help organizations transform individual effort into organizational capability. Next comes technology. Technology often receives the most attention because it is visible. Yet technology alone rarely solves organizational problems. Technology amplifies, it accelerates, it enables is data. Data provides visibility. It helps organizations understand what is happening. It reveals patterns, measures performance, identifies opportunities, and supports decision-making, people, processes, technology, data. Organizations function when these elements work together. Organizations struggle when these elements become disconnected. This simple observation explains a remarkable number of business problems. As we conclude this session, remember that organizations may appear different on the surface, yet beneath that surface common structures emerge. People, processes, technology, data. Together they form the hidden architecture of modern organizations. And for product managers, understanding this architecture provides a powerful advantage, because before we can improve a product, we must first understand the system in which the product lives. I see